Hello guys, this is Sajid. Welcome to my channel Artisans Web. In today's video, we are going to study how to use namespace in PHP. So PHP introduced namespace to avoid naming conflicts between the function names, class names or constant names. So what exactly that meaning? So we have, let's take live example. I create one file under my localhost folder php index.php. Okay, let's say we are working on one project and there are team of 3-4 programmers who are working on this same project. Now let's say one programmer whose name is Sam created one file and declare one function like function my name, and in this function he is returning whatever output equals Sam. Now here we will include that file sam.php, and we can directly call that function my name from index.php, and we will get the output Sam. Let's run that file, and this is the blog. I have written the blog on the same topic, so don't worry, I will paste this link in the video description below. So localhost php, sorry, localhost php, it gives me Sam, straightforward. Now we have another developer whose name is John, and he has given one task, and for that task he also used this same name for his function, but in this function he is giving some different output. Let's say he is returning test name. Okay, now we need to include that file also. Yeah, so both programmers are working on different tasks, but accidentally they are using the same function name for their respected output. Now here we got the fatal error, cannot redeclare my name because this function name is already declared, already used. So to avoid such naming conflicts, PHP introduced namespace. So let's see how to use it. So to this file I given namespace. You can give any name. I give the same name file, namespace Sam, and here I give namespace John. Okay, now using namespace we avoid the conflicts between name, but to use the respective function we need to change little bit code. So for example, if I need to use my name function from the namespace spam, so I just need to write this Sam my name, so it will automatically gives output of this function Sam. Now if I want to use this one, so I just write instead of Sam I pass John. Fair enough, very simple. Now this is about function. So what about class? There might be possibility that both developer are using same class name. So here let's say my language is PHP and my John also use the same class, but here he is returning Python. Okay, so we need to access this method, my language method, from the class A under the namespace John. So to create the instance, I comment this code. This is the object, new, then John, and whatever our class name, in our case A. Okay, and call that method A colon my language. So by using this declaration, PHP automatically figure out that the server has to give call to this class A, which should be under namespace John. It will not goes for this class. Fine. So let's see the output. Python. Correct. Now if you need to call this method, then just change namespace here. It will return PHP. Fair enough. Very simple. By the same way, you can access the constant. I think const, right? Const, my constant 1, I return 2. Now to print that constant, echo Sam, it will return 1. I think you got the point. 1. The same way, if I pass John, it will print this value. So I hope you understand how to use namespace in PHP. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.